Hi and welcome. I am Juju Gurgel and I just received this pair of Dream Pairs shoes for evaluation, but the opinions are my own. So what we have here today is this pair of kids sneakers. Has a PU leather material. It also has a Velcro right here. And it also has laces. Now, the great thing about these laces is that it is built in, so your child does not have to worry about tying their shoes, but it does expand quite a lot. So regardless whether your child has a skinny feet or a wide feet, this one should work out for them just fine. So over here in the front, you can see that it has these little holes. Now, this is great to allow air to flow right in. That way the shoes are a little bit more breathable. Now, this one over here is also a high top shoes, and you have this little loop right here in the back that helps your kid to put their shoes on. Another nice feature is that the shoelaces do connect with the tongue right here, so that way the tongue is not dancing around your child's feet as they walk. You know how sometimes if the shoes are not attached to the laces, the tongue can slip in and kind of go inside and go to the front of the shoes. So with this one, you're not going to have that. Now, this is how the bottom looks. Very nice. It has the TPR sole, and the size on this one is a size 1, but you can also get it in different sizes, and you can also get it in different colors as well. So now let's go ahead and try these on. I have my son who wears a size 1, and we will let you know if it is true to size, and we'll also show you exactly how it looks. So let's go. Here we are. This is how these look. They are indeed true to size, and they look so good as well. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.